everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be creating, I called it a snow blizzard. I'm not quite sure whether that's a good description or not, but I'm going to go with snow blizzard. It sounds kind of cool, but I wouldn't want to be in one. So for this set, actually it's only 3 nails, so it's not really a complete set, but for these nails I'm going to be using Blue Tide from Neonail. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a pastel blue. I've just applied 1 coat to my nail. I have cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now we're going to go in with our second coat. I really like, I know they're really good for like springtime and that, but I really love pastel colours in the winter time as well. I think they look really nice. So this is the second coat. Pop that in the lamp, and then I'm going to be using these Pearly Diamonds from Nail Sugar. Do you know what? I'm not actually sure they're on the website at the minute. I'll have to check with Karen. But I had these in my drawers and I was like, these are going to be great to create snowflakes with. So, I know, right? I'm taking a little bit of hard base and I'm going to just plop that, just put a little bit in the centre. I put way too much on. You only like literally, I've tried to get some off then. You only want a little bit, enough to pop these little pearly diamonds in. Now I'm not going to do an 8-armed snowflake. I'm going to do a 6-armed snowflake because I think if we'd done an 8 we'd struggle to fit them all onto this nail. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing 6 little diamonds on, and then I'm going to evenly spread them out so that we've got a nice equal snowflake. So you want it to be all like symmetrical like snowflakes are. This one was being a little bit of a pickle. There we go. And then once you're happy, just pop that into the lamp, and then those pearly diamonds are going to cure in place into that base coat. Right, now I am going to go over with another layer of base coat. Not too much, don't make it too thick. You just want to just put a nice coat. This is just to sort of help even it out a little bit. Sometimes I hold it upside down just to let the product settle a bit. And then I'm going to go over the top with the dry matte from Neonail. This is one of my favourite matte top coats, I'm not going to lie. It's really nice one. And you know, you get some cloudy top coats. This one isn't. The product is actually clear, which is really nice. I've never had a clear one. So when that comes out, look how cool that looks. Doesn't that look amazing? I really like it. So to create a little bit of detail, I'm just going to keep this one quite simple. I'm going to use the Art Gel in white. This is from the Neonail Expert range, so you do have to be qualified to purchase these. And what I'm going to do is, I was like, not going to use my brush. Right, I'm going to use a dotting tool. And I'm just going to place some dots. So we're going to go in with a dot in the centre. I just wanted to smooth it out a little bit because this product is quite, it also, look, I've smeared it a little bit, which was annoying. But anyway, right, where the little diamonds point outwards, I am just going to place some dots. Now, I dip my brush into the Art Gel, and then I'll start from the edge of the diamond and then work my way out, and then as you get further outwards the dots get smaller, which is kind of what I was going for. That's what I like to do. I like the dots to get smaller. So that is literally all I'm going to do for this one. So that, see how easy that was? It kind of looks like a flower as well. So I'm going to do another one. So I've got 2 coats. I'm going to apply the hard base over the whole nail this time. And then again, I'm going to take 6. Oh, no. Yes. Diamond dust. Right, this is diamond dust from Nail Sugar. Oh, this looks really nice. Do you know what? I wanted a little bit of a sort of shimmery, not shimmer, but just tap ever so lightly. If you're worried that it's all going to spill out, get a little brush, dab it into the glitter and tap the brush over the nail. And I literally just want a sprinkle of this because it's iridescent. I'll show you afterwards once it's matte finished. We're going to get this really like subtle, kind of shimmer. Right, pop that in the lamp to cure. No, don't. No, this is what I'm, no, don't cure it yet. Right, on top of this, we're going to add the diamonds. Sorry. Yeah, I was going to cure it and then I didn't, and I knew there was a reason why. If we'd have cured it, we'd have had to gone in with more base coat. And when you're doing gel polish nails, there's nothing worse than thick gel polish nails. So don't cure it. Apply your diamonds into that base coat as well. Now, I cut out a lot of footage because it took me ages to get them nice and straight. But once you're happy, pop that in the lamp. So a 60-second cure. Then just to smooth the nail out a bit more, we're going to go in with another coat of the hard base. Just one. Again, don't go mad. And again, I like to hold it upside down just to let the product settle. And then we're going to matte finish it. This is the Dry Top Matte. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. I've got a big bottle coming. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I get so excited for nail stuff. I love new nail stuff. There we go. Right, pop that in the lamp. And then if you see, can you see, we've just got this really subtle, like, oh, it looks so pretty. Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm sure you can. Behind the little diamonds. And then this time, I'm going to make it look more like a snowflake and less like a flower. So I'm just putting little lines coming out from the edges of the Pearly Diamonds. So this is going to be an extension of our snowflake. And then on these lines, I'm going to put 2 lines coming out each side. And do you know what I'm finding? Doing these lines are so easy, and actually see, initially I was like, oh, just the lines look boring, but do you know what, they get the job done. You can tell it's a snowflake, and I think they look just as good as, like, you know, doing any other fancy schmancy things on the snowflake. Excuse the dogs barking outside. I smudged that one, so we're going to start again. Don't wipe it off with your bare skin like I did. I'm full of bad habits. You shouldn't touch uncured product. It shouldn't be on the skin, so, you know, don't do it. Right, now I'm going to get some, my dotting tool, sorry. So I'm going to get some product on the end of my dotting tool. I'm going to put another dot in the middle, and then between the little diamonds, I'm going to put 3 little dots. And again, you want to make sure that they're coming out in the right direction, because you don't want it to look uneven, if you know what I mean. See, that looks more snowflakey, doesn't it? Oh, I love this one. Pop it in a lamp once you're happy to cure for 60 seconds. So that's those 2. So the art gel cures with no tacky layer. So that is literally, that's the nails finished. And then I wanted to do, I wanted to use this one, Inner Calm. This is my favourite, is soft grey. I love it so much. I'm going to have to get another one of those soon, I think. And Snow Queen. I need Snow Queen as well. I might have to place another order, she says. And then I've got then I've got Blue Tide as well. So on my very used mucky palette, it is clean. It's just I've got product cured to it, so I can't get it off. So I'm putting a line of each of those gel polishes onto the palette. Then I'm going to use this is called Moonstone. This is one of the new glitters from Nail Sugar. It's really gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I just love all of the glitters. I just say I love all of the glitters because I literally do. They're so nice. I could not be without glitter. So I'm putting the hard base, a layer of hard base down. Then I'm going to put some of these little bits of Moonstone. It's like confetti. So I'm going to put some in the bottom left hand corner and the top right hand corner, and I'm going to do a marble through the center. So there's no point putting, I had a little bit of white art gel on my brush still, so I had to turn that little bit of glitter over because it had white on it. So yeah, so I didn't think there's no point filling the whole nail, because the center of the nail from the top left down to the bottom right is going to be a marble. So and I want the outside edges to be left clear. So I want some clear bits, but I want a little bit of glitter. Even though it's more confetti, not glitter. I think it's on the website, it's confetti. But it's kind of like iridescent. So I'm trying to get some of the small bits in there as well. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then, I'm using the Aquarel base in clear. This is basically, it's a clear blooming gel. And we're going to put a coat over the nail. Don't make it thick. You want to make it thin, but you want to cover the whole nail. Then I'm using my Born Pretty ombre brush, and I'm going to scoop up some of the colour that I've got on the palette. And then you kind of want to float it over. Don't brush it on, float it over. and you can work your brush through it if you want, and then just leave it for a few seconds, and because it's on that aquarel base, it's going to disperse and you just get a nice marble. And then I'm going to go over with the Dry Top Matte because I love it. The whole nail is going to be matte finished, and you can't see it very well in this video, but the Moonstone looks really nice, but it doesn't pick up quite well on the camera. But there we go. I'm just going to add some detail onto the middle nail. So I'm just using that art gel again. I'm just going to put, I don't know if these are like, they're not really, no, we're not going to call them stars because they are more, it's a blizzard set, right? So we're going to call them like really easy peasy snowflakes. So I'm going to put across, and then I'm going to do some smaller ones as well, some smaller crosses, and then just coming out from the diagonal of each of those, I'm just going to do like a little flick. So these are like mini snowflakes. Yeah, mini snowflakes, not stars. There could be stars if you wanted to, but mine are going to be snowflakes. Because you're in a snowstorm, it's a blizzard. And again on these ones, we're going to do a little diagonal flick. No, we're not. I lied. Right, I thought I did. Right, there's a bit of hair in that first little blob. There's a hair in there, so I had to get that out before I cured it. But there we go. Those are the finished nails. I hope you like them. If you want to get 10% off any Neonail products, you can using my code NATMUG10 on the neonailuk.com website. You can get 10% off any glitters from Nail Sugar using my code NATMUG10. Don't forget to leave me a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And I will see you beautiful lot in the next one with a brand new set of nails.